Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Nintendo Switch 2 with a PIN code. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you don't want anyone using your Nintendo Switch 2, so you want to go ahead and lock it with a PIN code. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's navigate to System Settings. Next, scroll down and click on System. And then from here, scroll down a bit more and you're going to find this option that says System Lock. So what this is going to do is that if you toggle this on, it's going to lock your system with a PIN code so that you can protect it from people who don't play on it. So you'll enter a PIN code. So if I toggle this on, you'll enter a system lock PIN in order to turn this feature on. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and lock your Nintendo Switch 2 with a PIN code. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.